Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn green messages on iPhone to blue messages. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, you need to confirm whether the message is going to be sent in blue or green. So if you have the messages sent as green, like this, that shows the message is normal SMS. Now, if you want the message to be sent as green, you need to turn on iMessage. Now, to do this, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and click on apps. Then scroll down the apps page. Locate and click on messages. Once you click on messages, scroll down, locate iMessage and turn on iMessage. Once you turn on iMessage, go back, click on messages, and now go ahead and open anyone using iMessage. Then send your message. Once you send your message, this is going to send as blue message. You see that? So once your message is sent as blue message, it's iMessage. And once it's sent as green, then it is a normal SMS. So that's exactly how to turn green message on iPhone to blue messages. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.